Hey everyone, I'm YOUSHA, aka Julie. Welcome back to my channel. If you stop by because you love watching people do beauty hauls, and specifically from YesStyle, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Alright, so welcome. I have a haul video. Am I on a low buy? Sorta. But I actually placed this order in January, early January, because I had some, what do you call those? YesStyle Points that were going to expire, like 1,800 of them or something. I don't know. I had a bunch, and I'm a sucker for getting a deal, so I made a haul, and it took like forever. I didn't get this till late February, mid-February. I can't remember. It took its own sweet time, and then it just sat there because all of my BoxyCharms Ipsies came in, and I unboxed those, and now it's end of March, and I like need something until my April boxes come in. So guess what? We're gonna do a YesStyle haul. That was quite the lengthy intro. So this will be, I don't know, my fourth, maybe fifth haul from YesStyle, and I can attest that it comes from Hong Kong. Normally this one, I think I ordered something and they were waiting for it to come back in stock, so it shipped out late. But every other purchase surprisingly arrived within like 2 weeks, considering ColourPop can take forever. But yes, do not be afraid if you've eyed it and we're like, I don't know. No problems whatsoever. Ship to the US. Do not pay full price. They're constantly having sales. I think I even have a discount code. Oh, I don't know. Something will be linked down below. I may or may not. Oh yeah, I may get some points. So if you don't want to support me, I am cool with that. But use somebody's code, because codes galore exist in the world. No one should ever pay full price. If you're into the skincare, they got you covered. They have makeup. They have, I don't know, accessories, clothing. I stick to makeup, skincare, and every now and again I get some organization items, but they have a lot. All right, enough of my rambling. Let's dive in and see what I picked up, because honestly, I placed this order so long ago, I don't remember. All right, first item, or items, I should say. Yes, it's coming back to me. These here are some organizational stacking crates. The last time I did a haul, I picked two of these up, and then I was surprised at how much I enjoyed them. So I said, you know what? Next time I do a haul, I'm going to pick up more. This is what it looks like put together. This is what I got last haul. So the color is slightly different, but I went for pink. Last time I got lavender. But look how big this is. And it's great. I used the other one to store all my empties. And these I'm going to use to organize. All right, next item. I got some more cotton face squares. Every time I do a haul now, I pick these up. These are awesome. If you use toners, makeup removers, essence, anything where you need a cotton round or cotton whatever, these are fantastic. You get 200. They vary in price, but they're very affordable. YesStyle is constantly, like every day can be a slightly different price, kind of like on Amazon. But I want to say these are like $6, $7. They are not super pricey. What I paid will be on screen. But yes, and don't make me say the brand. It's Melome or something. Love them. All right, I had to pick up more of my Holy Grail because I fear that it may disappear, right? You spend your whole life trying to find a Holy Grail, you find it, and then what? It gets discontinued, they stop making it. So here we have some backups. I did want to try the lighter shade, so I have 23, and this is now 21. Did I even mention what this is? This is from PURITO. It's the Cica Clearing BB Cream, and my norm is to use shade 23, which I'm finding is great in the summer months. In the winter, it's a little dark, so I decided to pick up the shade 21 so I can be good year-round. All right, next item. What is this? We have from a brand called Esfolio, a Moisture Milk hand cream. I love hand creams and use them all the time. I'm also fairly cheap. So whenever I shop anything, whether it's an ad on sale, doing a haul, I always check out the sale page or see what's on sale. And when I see a hand cream, I snatch that puppy up. Isn't that cute? Look at the packaging with the cows. It does come safety sealed. Let's see what the product's like. All right, so it's a nice white cream. Blend that in. What does that smell like? It reminds me of something. I am the worst. The worst at describing a scent. I don't know why I put it on as if it were a face cream. It's a hand cream. I can get it all over the place and rub it in. That way we can see if it leaves your hands greasy or if it soaks right into the skin. Yes, not greasy at all. Soaked into the skin. What is that scent? As you may or may not know, I'm the worst at describing scents. I will let you know it is not obnoxious. It's kind of floral-y, but not bad floral. I don't know. Maybe it's not even floral. Let me read the bottle. Well, of course, packaging had no clue. It does have an ingredient about milk proteins. Maybe that's what it reminds me of. It doesn't smell like milk. But some kind of lotions and creams that you put on babies. Maybe that's what it is. It smells good, whatever the scent is. Oh, I know what this cream's reminding me of. I can't name the scent, but I can name the product. I got a moisturizing product from L'Occitane. Was it 2020? In their advent calendar. And they had a product. I will see if I can find it or look it up and list it on the screen. That's what this reminds me of. Yes, smells divine. All right, what else did I pick up? Oh, yes. Now it's coming back to me. This here's from Shiseido, and it's a Urea cream. And I know before you go off, look up skincare Urea. It is what dermatologists will prescribe or give when people have extremely dry skin. It's one of the best moisturizing ointments, creams, ingredients you can do for dry skin. And I picked this up to put on my feet, my hands, whatever. I don't know. It's all in Chinese or Korean. If this is good for the face. No, I'm going to see the sticker says foot and hands. So yeah, if you need this type of product for your face, go see a dermatologist. All right. What else did I get? What is this? Looks to be some type of makeup. This is from a brand called I'm Meme, and it's the I'm Multi-Square. Is this going to be eyeshadow? Yes. This is an eyeshadow quad. And can you guess what color story? Yes, neutrals. These are all matte shades. Can you tell the difference? I'm not sure if you'll be able to see those or not, but I am happy to report that I'm an idiot. This is not an eyeshadow palette, although you could use it as such. This is a contouring palette. Okay, I'm not used to contour palettes being this small and the size. Wouldn't you think it was an eyeshadow palette? Although you probably have a better memory than I do. But yes, okay, that also probably explains why there's not a lot of difference. If you are fair and are trying to find some products that don't pull orange or that are not too dark, YesStyle is the place for you. They have the best selection and options for the fair skin if you don't like anything orangey. And I do not. I like it to be neutral or even on the cool tone side when it comes to contouring, or I don't even want to say bronzing, just the contouring. I love that. That makes me feel a little better because as I'm swatching and talking about this eyeshadow, in my head I'm like, why did I pick up that eyeshadow that's all matte and all the same colors? Because I didn't. I wanted something to contour with. All right, and the last item is a little free sample. They will send you samples when you make a purchase, which is always nice. What is this? It's from Mizon, and it's a collagen power firming enriched cream. All right, that is it. Let's recap everything I got. A multi-square contour palette, a foot or hand urea cream, a moisture milk hand cream, the Cica clearing BB cream in 23 and 21, some beauty cotton pads, and 2 organization crates. What are your thoughts? All right, I want to hear your thoughts. As far as hauls go, this honestly is the smallest haul I've ever made from YesStyle. I just had made a few more, and I forget why. Oh, that's right, I told you, because my points were running out, so I didn't have a lot to pick up. But because my points were running out, I wanted to make sure I took advantage of the bonus free or discount. And you know what? Can always use face pads. I wanted more of those organizations, and I love shopping for, you know, any kind of hand cream. Oh, and then I specifically wanted some backup since I was making a haul of my favorite BB cream. If you are curious why I rant and rave about that, I did do a try-on review video, so go check it out. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, you know, bell, link, like, all of the YouTube stuff, I would really appreciate. All right, thanks everyone.